Hey, stop clicking around. I need to show you this right now. Now, there's a lot going on right now, and some people are concerned that they might have to go for a long period of time without getting outside food, which is why our store, For Patriots, is blowing up with thousands of requests for our survival food, which, by the way, stays good in pouches like this for an incredible 25 years long. And I've heard that some brands have already started running out, but we're doing everything we can to make as much survival food available as possible right now with everything going on. And that's why now, for a limited time, and I cannot stress this enough, while supplies last, you can get a discreet low-key storage pouch that is packed with a walloping 72-hour supply of survival food capable of feeding you breakfast, lunch, and dinner for days at a time. This pouch comes packed with enough in it for a full 72 hours of food, and it all fits in here. Not only that, but to make sure everybody has a fair shot at claiming these food pouches with days of food jammed in, again, before they run out, we're able to throw in a 35% savings instantly. There won't even be a coupon code or a rebate required. It's just listed that way right now on our website. Now that is really all I think I can do to help as many people as possible claim these 72-hour food supplies, but right now you have to click the link if you want to get yours before supplies run out for who knows how long. Click the link below right now this second because the timer is ticking.